Hi there! Today we're going to talk about an expression that I believe exists in many languages. Cuando los cerdos vuelen, when pigs fly, meaning something is very unlikely to happen. For example, Luis es muy vago. Se hará rico cuando los cerdos vuelen. Luis is very lazy. He'll become rich when pigs fly. Another example. Le pedí a mi jefe irme de vacaciones durante un mes. Y me contestó, te irás de vacaciones un mes cuando los cerdos vuelen. I asked my boss if I could go on holidays for 1 month, and he replied, you'll go on holidays for 1 month when pigs fly, meaning you will never get 1 month of vacation, of paid vacation, right? Well, that's it for today. It was a very quick video. I hope you learned something today, and I hope to see you very soon. Ciao!